So the next chapter is looking at equations and inequalities, and we're going to start off with linear simultaneous equations, how to solve them. It should be a quick recap, so I'm just going to go through two examples. The first one I'm going to do elimination, and the second one is going to be substitution. So for elimination, we have our simultaneous equation 1 and 2. I want the coefficients to be the same on one of the variables, x or y. You could choose either one. This is easier to make x is the same, so I'm going to multiply this equation by 2. So I have 4x minus 2y equals 12, and then I'm going to take away my second equation away from my third equation, because to get rid of the x's. So 4 take away 4. So if I just do take away here, 4 take away 4 is going to give me 0x. 3 minus 2 is going to give me 5y equals 22 take away 12 is going to give me 10. If I rearrange that, therefore y equals 2. Just 10 divided by 5. After I get that, I'm just going to substitute this y equals 2 into the first equation. I could do the second equation as well, but it's easier here. So I'll just do it around here. 2x minus 2 equals 6. Rearrange that. I get x equals, take the minus 2 over, is 8 plus 2, so 8, and then divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then we could check it. I'll just do a quick check for this one. I'm going to substitute x equals 4 into here. So 4 times 4, add 3 times 2, substitute the y into here, and that should equal 16, add 6, which equals 22, and we have that, so I know they're correct. Next one, I'm going to use substitution, which we will look more into when we look at quadratic simultaneous equations. So for substitution, I'm going to need to rearrange one of the equations, and I'm going to pick the first one because it's going to be easier, and get it in terms, so x equals, making one of the unknowns a subject. So x equals 11 minus 3y, just taking the 3y over. And now I'm going to substitute this x equals into the second equation. So substitute is 4 times 11 minus 3y minus 7y equals 6. Expand that, is 44 minus 12y minus 7y equals 6. Collect the like terms and rearrange. Do it up here. So I'm going to have minus 19y. Well, I'll just do it. 44 minus 19y equals 6. I'm going to rearrange to work out what y is. So that'll be 6, take away 44, which is minus 38, and divide it by minus 19, and that equals 2. So I've taken the 44 over and then divided by minus 19 equals 2. Now I'll substitute this y equals 2 back into this equation. So put it back into here. X equals 11 minus 3 times 2, which equals 11 take away 6, which is just 5. Again, I could just check by substituting it into the second equation, but I'm not going to do that. So that's it for linear simultaneous equations.